Is this his final song?
Hello again. काफ़ी बार लाइव आ रहे हैं हम because we are launching our calendar. Very excited and like I've said earlier, ये मेरा 22nd year है calendar का, and we started the calendar way back in the year 2000. जब ये नया millennium start हुआ था तब हमने पहला calendar launch किया था, and 22 years हो गए हैं, but I think the excitement is still the same. The kind of images that we plan, the kind of shoots that we do, excitement itna high hota hai that we are always, prepping and making the shot look our best ever. When I go to the shoot, ऐसा लगता है ये मेरा पहला शूट है वो पर्टिकुलर सेलिब्रिटी के साथ, एंड आई हैव टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, समथिंग न्यू. सो ये जो कैलेंडर शॉट्स होते हैं, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट एनर्जी, लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क जो अपनी पूरी टीम होती है, राइट फ्रॉम मेकअप, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, everybody contributes equally, to make the shot look great. And I think the shot we've done with Abhishek for this year's calendar is looking fabulous. I think जैसे हमने जब भी shot किया था, Abhishek and me were feeling this is our best shot till date, and that's a good thing क्योंकि we keep pushing ourselves and try to achieve something new, something different, and I think we've outdone ourselves from all the previous calendar shoots. And Abhishek has been a part of the calendar since 2001. So जो first calendar था year 2000 में, it was an all women calendar, and from then 2001 onwards Abhishek has been a part of all my calendars. So I'm waiting for him to join us. He should be here very soon, and then I shall add him to our room. But it's Abhishek and me go a long way back. He was in fact junior to me in school, and we've known each other since very long, and he's an amazing person to work with. Great guy. Do check out the video I've just posted of him. And जो maximum pranks होते हैं set पे, it's always with AB. So let me add Abhishek to our live. Thank you everybody for joining us, and this is it's the 2021 calendar special, and yes, we have with us AB.
What's up, Dubs?
How you doing?
I'm
to
good,
see
brother. How are you, man?
All good, yeah. Getting along.
It's looking fantastic. It's looking fantastic.
Thank you so much. We've
I
released
I saw two images and they're fantastic as always.
Thank you so much. So you want to tell them about little bit about the shot, little bit in English and a little bit in Hindi.
मैं क्या बोलूं यार, अभी जो कुछ भी करना था वो आपने कर लिया है. तो जैसे कि लोग जानते हैं कि जब भी आप और मैं एक साथ काम करते हैं तो बहुत ही फटाफट सब कुछ निपटा के हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Absolutely.
But I think, in my opinion, I think this is the best one we've done so far, Dubs.
I think so too. Definitely.
Yeah, I think you and I have always had this leaning towards black and white photographs, and if I'm not mistaken, quite a fair share of a lot of the shots we've done for the calendar have been in black and white.
Totally.
And,
I think onwards, I think जो mic के साथ
yeah,
done that.
हाँ, the mic. Then we did one with the bass.
With the double
याद है?
bass. Yeah.
फिर एक आपके स्टूडियो के बाहर भी किया था. Remember with the Jaguar, the suit and the cigar.
Wow.
Yeah, ढेर सारे हैं यार. But yeah, I like this one the best. I think this is the coolest one, and I think that's nice क्योंकि आपको अभी क्या अभी 21 साल हो गए हैं, 21-22 साल.
This is the 22nd year.
No, shooting with me. Shooting
Yeah.
with me. We first shot on the sets when you had come on the outdoor of Dhayakshar Prem Ke, if you remember, in the summer of 2000, and we've been shooting for 21 years, and I genuinely feel from all the mad times that you and I have had shooting, I think this is our best shot. So I'm excited for everyone to see it.
Absolutely. And guys, we'll be posting the picture just like 10-15 minutes after the live. So keep watching the space of Abhishek's Insta and my Instagram. And So just a few questions that I had got from people to ask you, from all the people who are waiting to ask. It's just generally that they keep asking me, how do I? So I come up with the concepts. I think of, okay, what Abhishek would suit, or what we've done, like the football shot and so many different concepts. The miniature, the giant with the miniature. We've done
Yeah, that was also black and white.
Tipping. So they're saying that how does Abhishek react when you tell him these freaky concepts? Because sometimes it's like we've done a masked picture where your only eyes are showing. So they want to know that how come you agree to do all the most experimental picture, the one you screaming with two Abhisheks in it.
Yeah, that was great. That was in Mehboob.
Yeah.
मैं बता दूं यार, I don't think about it. जो कुछ भी डब्बू बोलता है मैं चुपचाप कर लेता हूँ. आप लोग शायद जानते नहीं है, लेकिन डब्बू और मैं एक दूसरे को स्कूल से जानते हैं. And so, I mean, he was my senior, but I've known Dabbu since we were in school. Dabbu's sister was a very, very dear friend of my sister's. So, एक परिवार सा नाता है हम दोनों के बीच में, and we've worked together for the first time from Dhai Akshar Prem Ke, which was one of my first films, initial films, and I've known him since then. And starting then till now, it was a huge honor, and it was like a seal of approval that you arrived in the film industry if you shot with Dabbu. And I remember the first time I even went to his studio, and Dabbu used to have a small studio, still my favorite studio. Since then, he's moved on to bigger and better things. But he had this wonderfully small studio where I used to love to go hang out. We used to listen to music, go up to his loft area, eat really bad Chinese takeout food and coffee, and just spend hours and chill, and once in a while do a shot. लेकिन मैं ज्यादा पूछता नहीं हूँ. I have immense faith in Dabbu, in his vision for what he sees for me. तो जब भी डब्बू बोलते हैं कि ये है, ये करना है, मैं बोलता हूँ चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, करते हैं, and we usually finish really fast, so it's good fun.
I think your shots are always the fastest. I think 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And one thing I must tell everybody के most probably जो shots हम first click लेते हैं is the final picture that we end.
Yeah, and in this one as well, Dabbu, I like the test shot the best.
It was
amazing. Not used the test shot, but I like the test shot the best.
एक click कर लिया, हो गया, pack up, let's go. Everybody knows that about you, that how our shoots have been super fast. All the ad campaigns we've shot together also. The agency think that 8 घंटे लगेंगे, and we used to be out of there in an hour and a half.
Exactly.
So also I think the bond, the chemistry, the trust, like you said, is very, very important.
Also the understanding, Dubs, I think I learned a lot about, for an actor, it's very important to know your camera angles. There's a technique to your craft which you also need to know. It's not just as simple as, oh, just let me act. No, you are acting for the camera. And a lot of my angles, what works for me, what doesn't work to me, is something that Dabbu taught me. With the mount, he used to shoot me. He said, no, this is not looking that nice. Turn like this. So actually, Dabbu taught me so much about camera, lensing, and, angles, which I think is so important for an actor to know. And yeah, so firstly, thanks for that, Dubs. And so since you did, exactly, wet hair picks light better, all these kind of things. And so I just, I trust you implicitly. And I think that is what shows. It's very important. It's an important relationship of somebody who's front of the camera and somebody who's behind the camera. And when you have that faith in that person's eye and how they see you and what they see for you, I think it makes your job a lot easier. So yeah, you do all the hard work. I just show up.
No, I think that like for me, I feel when I have a particular concept in mind and I know that, okay, I think I should first make Abhishek see this concept or hear this concept, and you always pick that. Even the one I remember we shot on your terrace where you were walking down and
walking off, back. That was black and white as well.
And people that sometimes, how do you think of these ideas? And also see, when a lot of it we do at the shoot, and a lot of it happens when we actually get on to selecting the picture, working on the image. So everybody keeps wondering that how do these guys trust you? So, even with Dad, I've been working since that time, more than that. In fact, I think a year or two before you as well. With Mr. Bachchan, how do you make him get into a rickshaw? You make him do this, you get him onto a cycle. So I think it's rightly said, it's the trust and the kind of, I think both of you, with dad and you all hardly even see the laptop. You don't even come to see the image.
Yeah.
You know, we shoot.
Yeah.
for
We're
it.
either really lazy or we just trust you.
So we have some special guests who have also come to say hello to you.
Where are they? My munchkins. Come. Hi. What's up, guys?
Come now.
How are the holidays going?
It's been good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sending you all a big bear hug.
Yeah, I'll give it to them.
Enjoy the holidays. Be really naughty. Trouble both your parents a lot. I know your mother's behind the camera right now, but really trouble her.
We always do it no matter what.
Good. Have lots of fun, guys. Stay safe. And remember, if you're stepping out, to wear your...
Mask.
Hey, AB.
Hey! There's my Jaipuria.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. You know what I'm here for? I mean, all the good talk is done. You know what I like.
जो मन की बात है वो अभी तक निकला नहीं है. अभी तक निकला नहीं है वो. I was about to start this live like अरे यार फिर से आ गया यार ये डब्बू फिर से आ गया पता नहीं क्यों ये काम करते रहता है साल पे साल जब देखो दोस्ती के नाम पे यार मेरा ये कर दो मेरा ये क्या कैलेंडर है अभी ये बाइट दो मैं क्या बोलूं अभी और बुराई क्या कर सकता हूं मनीषा only you understand the true pain that Dabbu Ratnani is only you as a wife 2020 what this 22 dubs
22, yeah, 22nd calendar.
oh
Yeah.
god
I remember your talk that.
And Manisha, here I was thinking कि यार it's become June शायद इस बार हम लोग निकल गए maybe we've got saved this time so I was thinking oh my god till June his thing has not come out maybe इस साल बच गए हम लोग यार ये साल बच गए but Dabbu has to do it so here we are man देर आए दुरुस्त आए Dabbu मेरे भाई
You saying that even when you all will be in your wheelchairs,
I'll still bring you all for the
Dabbu will come for the calendar shot.
हाँ नहीं wheelchair अभी छोड़ दो अभी on our deathbed also he'll be taking one shot and telling us that no just chin up a bit chin down a bit all that will be going on my god yeah Dabbu you touch my hair more than I touch my hair which is when I touch my hair a lot
Alim Bhai will not be happy to hear that.
no you won't be happy to hear that at all hey kids did you like my photo
Yeah.
They love
Yeah.
it.
They miss being there at the
They miss
shoot.
being in your shots.
yes
especially.
but the important thing to remember kids is we missed you but we were shooting when there was a slight unlock and your mom and dad wanted to be completely cautious about what was going on and that's why you all couldn't make it we were trying to keep social distancing and a minimum crew that's why
But,
I asked for you all don't complain I asked for you all Dabbu and Manisha said that you all couldn't come
yeah, you sent the most special soundbite for them.
You had sent a
Yeah,
video.
yeah.
Yeah.
It was so nice.
They were so happy. Really, shooting with you is special. You are special. Means a
kids
lot.
mine is the best shot na
Yes.
let's get to the thank you zor se bolo zor se who's the best shot in the calendar
Love.
yeah love you guys and I hope they enjoy the calendar well done everyone well done
And everyone who's watching, thank you for coming. Give us all your good wishes for the 2021 calendar.
Here's your
yes
last
and everybody stay safe and be good and Dabbu I can never say this enough Dub I can never say this enough but thank you for being such a dear friend and thank you for always being there not as a professional but as a friend and Aishwarya and I are talking about this in the afternoon you're truly one of the nicest people on earth let alone the film industry and I only hope and pray for the best things for you
And you are family to us. Love you.
Wo to hai. Love you. Thank you,
Tash.
everyone. Enjoy the calendar. Dabbu Ratnani 2022. What's up? Hey!
All right. Take care.
Take care. All the best. Bye, guys. Be safe. Good luck, Dabbu.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you so much.
Bye.
We'll continue the live. Thank you, everyone, for coming in. And it was, we'll be launching the image very soon. And like AB said, it's our best shot together. So, guys, do watch out for that. Manisha, Myra, Kiara, Shivan, and Flash signing out.
Bye bye.
Take care. Be safe. Lots of love.